Understanding Scams Chapter. Tech and AI scams work because people want to keep up, not because they're careless. A promise appears. AI, software, automation. Confusion takes over. You're told it's advanced. Everyone is using it. Act now. Install. Trust. That pressure feels like progress, but it's control. Fake trials steal access. Fake support desks help. Deep fake voices sound real. AI will do everything for you. Real technology doesn't rush, confuse, or shame. These scams punish uncertainty, not ignorance. Slow down. Confusion is how you know something is wrong. Full breakdowns are on the blog, link in bio. New posts weekly. Truality.finance is a parent brand of .mental, .legalese, and .unfiltered, built on clarity, confidence, and steady progress. Just tools to help you stay grounded and in control of your financial journey. Stay steady, stay real, stay you. Powered by Mr.Why through Truality.finance in support of the Truality cause. Dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for illustrative visual concept purposes only. If this helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more educating financial information. These are products of the Truality universe created by Mr. Why.